The secret life of honeybees. Honeybees may be small insects, but their world is one of the most fascinating and organized societies in nature. Across fields, forests, and gardens, millions of honeybees fly from flower to flower every day, performing a job that keeps much of our planet alive. Their constant buzzing may seem simple, but behind it lies a complex system of teamwork, communication, and survival. A single beehive can contain more than 50,000 bees. Inside this crowded yet perfectly organized colony, every bee has a special role. Some are worker bees that collect nectar and pollen from flowers. Others build the wax honeycomb structures that store food and protect the young. There are also guard bees that protect the hive from intruders and dangers. At the center of this busy colony lives the queen bee. She is the most important member of the hive and the only bee responsible for laying eggs. The queen can lay thousands of eggs every single day, ensuring the survival and growth of the colony. Worker bees constantly care for her, feeding and protecting her as she moves through the hive. Worker bees are some of the hardest working creatures in the natural world. They travel long distances in search of flowers filled with nectar. When a bee finds a rich source of food, it returns to the hive and performs a special movement known as the waggle dance. Through this unique dance, the bee communicates the exact direction and distance of the flowers to other bees. Once the nectar is collected, bees bring it back to the hive where it begins its transformation into honey. Inside the honeycomb cells, the nectar slowly thickens as bees fan their wings to remove moisture. Over time, this process creates the golden honey that humans have valued for thousands of years. But honey production is not the only reason bees are important. As bees move from flower to flower collecting nectar, they also carry pollen between plants. This process, called pollination, allows plants to grow fruits, vegetables, and seeds. Without bees, many of the foods we eat every day would not exist. Inside the hive, life continues with constant activity. Young bees grow inside tiny honeycomb cells while worker bees care for them. The colony works together in perfect coordination, building, protecting, and expanding their home. However, honeybees today face many dangers. Habitat loss, pesticides, and climate change threaten their survival. Around the world, scientists and beekeepers are working hard to protect these small but incredibly important insects. Honeybees may be tiny, but their impact on our planet is enormous. Their hidden world is a story of teamwork, intelligence, and survival. Every buzz in the air is a reminder that these small creatures are helping nature continue its cycle of life. The secret life of honeybees is not just a story about insects. It is a story about the delicate balance of nature itself. Don't forget to subscribe if you liked the video.